Welcome back to the 10x Gain Show. Let's get right into another one. Today is Saturday, November 15th. XRP is at $2.23. Let's dive right into the charts and see what's going on. Guys, last time I made a video we were at 240, so this is not very good. I don't know why my price is over here. Used to be on the right side. Oh well, whatever. I'm not sure how to get that fixed. I'll have to figure it out later. Taking a look at the daily, this has been absolutely brutal. You can see we were at all the way up to 255 and we've come down. Um, it's not looking too good. This is our sixth red day in a row. Um, Although this is Sunday's candle, so anything could change. We could pop up. Taking a look at the 4-hour, we've had this double top here, and we've just kind of trickled down from there. We could see the price coming down to 213 to the $2 range. So that's definitely in the cards. Um, as long as Bitcoin keeps crashing down, Bitcoin at 95K, most likely can expect XRP and the whole market, the crypto market, to keep coming down. You can see the next major level of support at this level right here, $2.15. And then we've got the $2 range below. So I wouldn't get worried. I think if we start closing daily candles below $2, that would be quite concerning. Really, if we start closing weeklies below $2, that is when it would be very alarming. Because as you can see, this is the $2 range right here. And we only had these 2 weeks close below $2. It closed below it, but the next week popped right back above it. So if we close multiple weeks below $2, then we'll have to change our thesis on what the price is doing in the immediate short term. As far as XRP goes, the weekly, you can see this high wick, lower candle body. It's really gotten pushed down. So it's really not looking super great. But that doesn't mean it's over. I do think that we will see some sort of major move, kind of like this straight line breakout here, before the year ends. We've got a lot of ETFs coming out. And you guys can see back in 2017, when we had this major run here, we had this RSI where we had this bottom, and then we came up and we had a lower bottom, and then we did parabolic run. So you can kind of see this little W here on the RSI. It's potentially similar to what's happening right now. We've got this bottom come up here, and now we're rolling over to make a lower bottom. And then could December actually be the start of a major straight line breakout run? So we'll have to see if that plays out. But as of right now, guys, I'd be keeping my eye on seeing if 220 holds the support. We're at 222. You can see right here, this around this 220 range has been support. So if we can't seem to hold this range, then I would expect us to go back down to $2. Let me know what you guys think down below. Let's dive into it on X. I know my computer's getting ready to die here soon. Jim Cramer says we've entered a bear market, so that's bullish, as you guys know, inverse Cramer. So potentially that could be a green light signal. We've got liquidity injection reminder. The Treasury will start injecting liquidity within 2 to 3 days, starting next week. JP Morgan expects nearly $300 billion in liquidity injected by mid-December, which is absolutely massive. I mean, this could start a major bull run with all these altcoins. If this is true, guys, could next week be a pivotal bounce? Potentially. Waters Above says, perhaps some of you remember how every one of these drops The whole X feed looked exactly like it does now. Bear market, bear market, bear market. Everyone's calling for a bear market. Just guys, when everyone's calling that the sky is falling and it's over and it's a bear market, it's usually historically the best time to buy. It's usually the start or marks pretty much near a bottom. So we'll see, guys, if we can get a pivot coming around here. More spot ETFs for XRP launching next week. Biggest one being Franklin Templeton on the 18th, which is going to be on Tuesday. So keep a watch out for that. And then President Trump expects a 20 trillion injection into the US economy in the next 45 days before the year ends. That would be absolutely massive. We've got we are about to see the biggest rotation of money in history from Bitcoin to XRP. The game has changed and the smart money knows it. We've got Franklin Templeton is up next. The SEC delays decision on Franklin Templeton's XRP and Solana ETFs with new deadline set for November 14th. It's a little bit old, guys. It's launching on the 18th, which is Tuesday, and so it begins. So you guys know we're going to see something massive. We got this liquidity injection coming next week. Hopefully we can see a major bounce. We need it. We need it. Price has been just bleeding, going sideways and down for quite a long time now. I'm ready for some excitement. I appreciate every single one of you guys tuning in, subscribing to the channel, liking the videos, and I will keep you updated in the next one. Until next time.